Hey everybody, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural supplements. We're talking about the good stuff, the kind of supplements that can actually make a difference in your life. We're gonna break down which ones are worth your hard-earned money and how they can help you achieve peak performance. Listen, we all know that feeling of hitting a wall, whether it's with our energy, our focus, or even our immune system. It's like our bodies are saying, all right, I need a little something extra here. And that's where natural supplements come in. We're talking about harnessing the power of nature to optimize your health, from ancient herbs to essential vitamins and minerals. So if you're ready to unlock your body's full potential, buckle up, because we're about to explore the fascinating world of natural supplements. Chapter 1. What are natural supplements? Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly are natural supplements? Now these aren't your magic pills or some quick fix, alright? We gotta be real here. These are products derived from natural sources, things like plants, minerals, even certain animals. Think of them like concentrated doses of what Mother Nature already provides, but in a way that's easier for your body to absorb and utilize. You got your vitamins, your minerals, your herbs, your amino acids, all sorts of goodies in this category. And they work in different ways. Some, like ashwagandha, this powerful herb from India, it helps your body adapt to stress, kinda like giving your system a chill pill. Others, like omega-3 fatty acids, those are essential building blocks for your brain and heart health. The key takeaway here is that natural supplements work in synergy with your body. They're not about replacing a healthy lifestyle, but they can be powerful tools to enhance what you're already doing. It's like you're putting in the work with your diet, your exercise, your sleep, and these supplements are like adding nitrous oxide to your engine, you know? They give you that extra boost to perform at your best. Chapter 2. Energy and Endurance Ashwagandha and Rhodiola Rosea. Let's talk about energy and endurance, because who couldn't use a little more of that, right? Two natural powerhouses come to mind here, Ashwagandha and Rhodiola Rosea. Now, these herbs are known as adaptogens, and they're like your secret weapons against stress. See, when you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, the stress hormone. Over time, high cortisol can wreak havoc on your energy levels, your mood, even your immune system. That's where adaptogens come in. They help regulate your cortisol response, so you can handle stress better, and maintain that steady energy throughout the day. Ashwagandha, for example, has been shown to improve athletic performance, increase muscle mass, and even boost testosterone levels in men. It's like this ancient herb is giving modern science a run for its money. Then you got Rhodiola Rosea, which grows in these harsh, high-altitude regions. This stuff is tough, and it makes you tough. Studies have shown it can improve mental clarity, reduce fatigue, and enhance your body's ability to use oxygen efficiently. So whether you're hitting the gym hard, or just trying to power through a busy day, these adaptogens can be game changers. Chapter 3. Brain function, omega-3 and lion's mane mushroom. Now let's talk about the command center, your brain. If you're feeling foggy, unfocused, or just not as sharp as you used to be, there are some powerful natural supplements that can help. Two of my favorites for brain power are omega-3 fatty acids and lion's mane mushroom. Omega-3s are like the building blocks for your brain cells. They're essential for healthy brain function, memory, and even mood. Think of them like the oil change your brain needs to run smoothly. You can find omega-3s in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, but supplementing with a high-quality fish oil or algae-based omega-3 can make a huge difference. Then there's lion's mane mushroom, this funky-looking mushroom that's been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It's got these compounds that can actually stimulate nerve growth factor, or NGF, which is like fertilizer for your brain cells. Studies have shown that lion's mane can improve cognitive function, memory, and even protect against age-related cognitive decline. It's like giving your brain a serious upgrade. Chapter 4. Immune support, vitamin D3 and zinc. Let's be real, nobody has time to get sick, right? And while you can't completely bulletproof your immune system, there are some key supplements that can give your body the upper hand in the fight against those nasty bugs. Vitamin D3 and zinc are two heavy hitters in the immune support game. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is crucial for immune function. It helps your body produce those badass immune cells that fight off infections. Problem is, a lot of us are deficient in vitamin D, especially during the winter months when we're not getting enough sunlight. Supplementing with vitamin D3 can help boost your immune system and even reduce your risk of getting sick in the first place. Zinc is another essential mineral that plays a critical role in immune function. It's like the gatekeeper of your immune system, helping to regulate the activity of your immune cells and prevent those overreactions that can lead to inflammation. Studies have shown that zinc lozenges can shorten the duration of the common cold, and zinc supplements can be especially helpful for people who are deficient in this important mineral. Chapter 5. Gut health, probiotics, and digestive enzymes. Now let's talk about your gut, because it's not just about digestion, it's about your overall health. Your gut is like your second brain, home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in everything from digestion and immunity to your mood and even your metabolism. Probiotics are like the good guys of your gut, the beneficial bacteria that help keep things running smoothly. They help break down food, produce essential nutrients, and keep those harmful bacteria in check. You can get probiotics from fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut, but supplementing with a high-quality probiotic can be a game changer, especially if you've been through a round of antibiotics or have digestive issues. Digestive enzymes are another powerful tool for optimizing gut health. They're like the little helpers that break down food into smaller particles, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. If you're experiencing bloating, gas, or other digestive discomforts, supplementing with digestive enzymes can make a big difference. Chapter 6. Gut health, probiotics, and digestive enzymes. Alright, let's talk muscle and recovery. Whether you're hitting the gym hard or just trying to stay active, these two supplements can help you optimize your performance and bounce back faster. We're talking about magnesium and creatine monohydrate. Magnesium is like the chill pill your muscles need after a tough workout. It helps relax muscles, reduce cramping, and improve recovery. Plus, it's involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, so it's doing a lot more than just helping your muscles recover. Creatine monohydrate is another powerhouse for muscle building and athletic performance. It's a naturally occurring compound that helps your muscles produce energy during high-intensity exercise. Think of it like giving your muscles more fuel to push harder and longer. Studies have shown that creatine can increase muscle mass, strength, and even improve brain function. Chapter 7. Choosing the right supplement. What to look for. Now, with so many supplements on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right ones. But here's the deal, not all supplements are created equal. You gotta be discerning, do your research, and look for quality over quantity. First off, check the label. Look for products with minimal ingredients, ideally just the active ingredient and maybe a natural filler. You don't want a bunch of artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. And be wary of proprietary blends because you don't know exactly what you're getting. Next, look for third-party testing. This means an independent lab has verified the quality and purity of the supplement. It's like having a trusted source confirm that you're getting what you paid for. Finally, do your research on the brand. Look for companies that are transparent about their sourcing and manufacturing practices, and don't be afraid to reach out to their customer service with any questions you have. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. Chapter 8. Final thoughts: supplements are just tools. Now, before you go out and buy every supplement under the sun, remember this: supplements are tools. They can enhance a healthy lifestyle, but they can't replace it. You can't out-supplement a bad diet or a sedentary lifestyle. Start with the foundations: a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and meaningful connections. These are the pillars of optimal health. Supplements are like the fine-tuning, the extra boost that can help you reach your full potential, but they're not a magic bullet. So, be smart, do your research, and use supplements wisely. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our deep dive into the world of natural supplements. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you're armed with the information you need to make informed decisions about your health. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more health wisdom. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.